All right, boys and girls, today we are going to learn how to use two new online tools for in our classroom. The first tool that we are going to explore is called Freckle. To access both of these tools, you will access them through Google Classroom. So you will go up here to Google Apps, you will choose Classroom, then you will choose either blue group or yellow group, depending on which group you are in. When you get to your classroom stream, it'll be the very first link that is on your stream. Go ahead and click on it. You will go to sign in as a student. When you get here, it's going to ask you for a class code. Your class code is going to be 3RK7G3. Click the green arrow, and here you will find your name. If for whatever reason you're unable to read what it wants you to do, if you click this speaker button right here, it will play the text for you. So go ahead and find your name and click on it. It will ask you if you're ready to start. When you get to this screen, you're going to want to click on the chicken. It says from my teacher. It will also have a 1 in the corner, so go ahead and click on it. And it'll take you to your first assignment. Your first assignment is Constellations. So when you click on this, it'll open it up and it'll start you with a pretest. You want to try your best on this pretest. It will determine your reading level and it'll make sure that you get stories that you are able to read. So once you get here, you will go through and read the story and then you will answer your questions. The next tool we're going to explore is titled Kahoot. So you will go back up to your blue group classroom tab. You will scroll down. It'll be the second link on your stream. So go ahead and open up Kahoot. The Kahoot game that we're going to be working on today is with contractions. So you're going to do the same thing when you get here. You're going to type in your game pin, which is going to be 730331. You will click enter. You will type in your nickname and you will click OK and go. So once you're here, the screen that I have pulled up, you will see your name on it. And then once you're ready to go, you will be asked questions and you will have to choose the correct answer on your screen. So these are some new tools that we're going to start incorporating. They should be a lot of fun to use.